Hey everyone, my name is Sanat Biswal, also known as the Accountant Guy. In this video, I am going to demonstrate how you can set up your debt payment reminders which would come on a WhatsApp. So basically, you will get a notification on the due date of payment of the loan. So in this example, we have got a car loan which is supposed to be paid on September 23. The total amount of loan is $3,000. Now you will get a message something like this, which talks about the debt payment reminder alert, and it says that hi there, this is a reminder for payment of car loan which is due on September 23 for an amount of $3,000. I have also added a payment link over here. So once you click on this pay now button, it will redirect you to your bank portal, which can help you in repaying this loan instantly. So once I click on this, here I've added the PayPal link, which will redirect me to my PayPal account from where I can pay the loan. You can add any link over here in order to pay this loan. Now we're going to understand how you can create this kind of message for yourself, and this is completely modified and can be used for your own purpose. And we're going to see how you can set up these payment reminders for your use. Now in order to receive this debt payment reminders on your WhatsApp, the first thing that we need to do is create a template for each of the loan. So as you can see that we have put in car loan details over here, which is supposed to be paid on 23rd of September. Now I want this message to repeat each time on 23rd for each of the month. So let's say I want this to come on 23rd of October, November, December, and all these months. Okay. So what I need to do is I need to create a template for this. So you can click on this drop down, click on this new template option. Now it will ask all the loan details over here. So I can type in my loan details. So it's a car loan. The repayment amount is $3,000. Okay. Now before you specify the due date, here's one thing you need to know. Once you click back, you will see that for each of the new template added, there is an option for repeating this template. What repetition does is it will automatically populate all the values that you gave inside the template for a specific period. Okay. So I want to set the repetition on a monthly basis, meaning I want this intimation to come each month in this database. So I will click on every month, and I want this intimation to repeat itself on every 16th. So let's say on 16th of September it should repeat at a specific time, and I can put my time over here and I can put my time zone. You can select any date in a month. So I'm selecting 16th. So every 16th this line item will get added to the database automatically. Okay, I will save this information. Now what I need to do is I need to go back to the details that I added earlier. Now if you see that the due date over here is showing September 23 when we are supposed to receive the notification on September 16. So let's say you want to receive notification 7 days back before the due date of payment of the loan arrives. Okay, so what you can do is you can click on this, you can type in 7 over here, and here it says days. So you will get a notification 7 days earlier than the actual due date of repayment, and you will see that on September 16th it will give you the same message that you need to repay this loan on September 23, which we just saw when we started this video. Okay. If you want this due date to stay the same as on the notification date, you can simply remove this 7 and put 0 over here, and it will revert back to the actual date which we have set. So we have set September 16 as the due date of payment, and it will automatically repeat on the same time basis. Okay. So the only thing that you need to do is you need to set a recurring template for each of the loan. Now here I have only added car loan. So now this car loan will repeat itself on every month on 16th, and it will and when it repeats for each month, it will automatically trigger an automation which will send that payment notification message to your WhatsApp. Okay. Now a detailed instruction video along with all the relevant information I have put in another video once you download this template. So this is in nutshell how you can set up your payment reminders. Now once you add all these payment reminders, we will set up the automation to receive the notification on WhatsApp. So now I'm going to show you two cases where we will see new loan getting added automatically, and we will see the notifications coming on our WhatsApp. Now I have set up a new loan by the name of education loan. You can see education loan is set up, and I have put the time of occurrence at 3:55 p.m. on 16 September. So now we are like 3:54 on 16 September. So at exactly 3:55 we will see a new loan coming up over here. So I'm just going to show you like how it can be automated. So we will just wait for a while when we will see a new loan populated over here with all the information. So once that is populated over here, you will see the message getting triggered automatically, and you will see a payment alert coming on your WhatsApp. Okay. So we'll just wait some time when it reaches at 3:55, and then we will see a payment getting triggered on your WhatsApp. So while we are waiting for this, I want to let you know that this can be automated for any number of loans that you have on hand. So okay, so now we reached 355 and you can see that we got a new loan that is put over here. So it has a due date and the repayment amount as well. Now within some time you will see that notification message getting triggered on a WhatsApp, and you can receive this notification on a WhatsApp, which will be available over here. So this is exactly how you are going to repay the loan amount, and as you take help of this template, you can repay any number of loans that you have on hand with the simple automation technique that I just displayed. So again, once you buy this template, you will be having all the information inside on how you can automate it entirely for your use. You can also create a custom message as per your requirement, so it is completely customizable at the user's need, and I'll help you on that. Okay. If you have any questions on this, feel free to ask me at notionformyuse@gmail.com. I'll be happy to assist you on this. Just before wrapping up, I want to say that once you have repaid all the loan, you can simply come over here and delete any of this template that you have added, so it doesn't get repeated again and again, and sends a notification back to you. Okay. Thank you.